Today we are learning about Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, what is the Mediterranean vegetation? We have learned that northeast margin of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. Yesterday, in previous period, we learned that east margin, okay, and west margin also that is covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. The west and southwest margin, the west margin, okay, and southwest margin of the continents are different. So there is different, okay, east and northeast margin and west and southwest margin is different. So this is very important point that we have to notice. Okay, east and northeast. These margin it is covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. But what about west and southwest margin? So the west and southwest margin of the continents are different. Okay, so they have Mediterranean vegetation, which west and southwest. Southwest. Okay, so west and southwest, these margin is covered with Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, this is very important point. West and southwest margin covered with the Mediterranean vegetation. Here is given figure 6.12. You can see that figure 6.12. So it is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Okay, hence the name. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California in USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America, and Southwest Australia. So these are the countries where this Mediterranean vegetation found. So these regions are marked for hot, dry summer and mild, rainy winters. So these types are which types of temperature is there? So these regions, okay, that is marked for hot and dry summer, and second, mild, rainy winters. This is the important points. And citrus fruits such as oranges, citrus fruits like that lemon, okay. So citrus fruits such as oranges, then figs, olives, and grapes. Okay, so these all these are called citrus fruits, na? So citrus fruits are commonly cultivated here. Okay, so all these citrus fruit cultivated here. Why? Because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to. So these okay, this isn't much wildlife here. So this is the difference between temperate deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, and Mediterranean vegetation. So Mediterranean vegetation, it is different from these four forests. Okay. In previous period, we learn about tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, then temperate evergreen forest, and temperate deciduous forest. But this Mediterranean vegetation is different from this forest. Okay, and it is located in west or south margin. These very important points, and citrus types fruits are found there. Okay, so it is about Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, So which points are there? Important points are there. The west and southwest margin of the continents. Okay, the main point is that Mediterranean vegetation, it is covered or located by where? West and southwest Mediterranean vegetation. This is a very important point. So west and southwest margin of the continents, and which types of uh, fruits are there? So citrus fruits, these are found there. Okay. So here are some important points also, that Mediterranean trees adapt themselves to dry summers with the help of their thick barks and wax coated leaves, which help them reduce transpiration. And Mediterranean regions also known as orchards of the world for their fruit cultivation. And so that it's known as the orchards of the world. And these questions may be asked that why Mediterranean vegetation is called orchards of the world. And the answer is because their fruit cultivation. In that region, there is abundant fruit cultivation, and so that it's known as the orchards of the world. Okay. Then second is coniferous forest. After that, I will unmute you, and then we will discuss these both points. Okay, and we will differentiate between Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. Okay, now let's know about coniferous forest. What is the coniferous forest? So in the higher latitude, that is 50 degree to 70 degree, okay, of northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forest are found. Where it found? Northern hemisphere. Okay, 50 to 70 degrees Celsius, higher latitude, and in northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. Here is given figure 6.13. You can see that, and these are also called as a taiga. This coniferous forest, these are also known as the taiga forest. Okay, taiga. This word is very important. Taiga forest. Okay. So these forests are also seen in the higher altitudes. Okay. So this forest, it is found in higher altitudes also. Okay. 50 to 70, above 50 to 70. Okay. So this is higher altitudes it is found. These are the trees which Selima found in Himalaya in abundance. And you know that from starting of the lesson, Selima, she went in a tour, okay, with her classmate. So in that Himalayan region, she found this taiga forest. Okay, she mentioned in the first paragraph. You can see that. So Salima found in the Himalayas in abundance this forest, which taiga forest. So they are tall. These taiga forest. So they are tall, softwood, evergreen trees. And the wood of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which are used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. So these trees we can use for the pulp, and you know that from the pulp, newspaper and papers can manufacture. Then matchboxes, okay, matchboxes that sticks, okay, matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from softwood. So which is softwood means very soft, like bats also, uh, cricket bat, then matchboxes, then uh, packing boxes. Okay, so all these are made by that softwood. Okay, and what about hardwood? Hardwood used for making furnitures. Okay, and then constructional materials also. But this softwood that is used for matchboxes and packing boxes and for the newspaper. Okay, so then chair, 5 Kedar are the important variety of trees in this forest. So which types of trees found here? Kedar trees, pine trees, okay, cheer trees. So these are the trees that found here. And which types of wildlife found here? Silver fox, mink, then polar bear are the common animal found here. So it is about coniferous forest. Okay. So now we will discuss about the Mediterranean vegetation and coniferous forest. Okay.